The following example is Scott working with Nydia to access her primary emotions. Because she's experienced significant childhood trauma, these emotions surface quickly and they can easily overwhelm her.
Watch how Scott frames her terrified feelings and reflects what she often does with them. Nydia shares her fear and John gets reactive. So Scott stops John and reframes her responses in the negative cycle as the way she manages her terror.
But if you really need me, why would you, disrespect me? If you really love me, why would you do it?
Well, but this is a good question. What's the answer to that? If she really needs you and she really wants you, why would she disrespect you?
I guess what you're bringing out is she's, fearful to expose her true needs.
Is that right? What's happening?
I just feel terrified.
You feel terrified? Terrified of losing him? Because he's so precious to you?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And you just... and you, yeah, good, yeah. And so what happens is when you feel this kind of fear, because you're getting in touch with it now, right?
Yes.
When you feel this fear, what you have been doing before is you don't talk about it, you don't ask him for comfort, right?
No.
Right. Right. You just go away by yourself, or you get angry, or and do things that he interprets as disrespectful, which is usually not what you intend.
And then I don't want to
just
comfort
terrified.
her and that kind of.
Well, if she's doing things that you feel are disrespectful, I don't think she always knows it, though, right?
No. No, I don't.
Can you tell him about that fear, the terror inside? Because I think it's important for him to understand it. Can you tell him about it?
Right. I'll try.
Okay.
I feel very unsafe. When I feel that fear, it scares me.
Mm-hmm.
A lot.
Unsafe in what way?
Well, that you're going to leave me.
Yeah.
But you're going to chase me away.
Hold on, John. Hold on. You're doing fine here, but let's not talk about, she doesn't think she's chasing you away, right? She doesn't realize she's chasing you away.
No.
That's true, because when I do run away, then I start reflecting all the love she's been giving me. I'm like...
She's not trying to chase you away.
Right. I'm like...
No. She gets terrified, right? She gets terrified, and then she does things and says things, or doesn't do things and doesn't say things that, are end up
myself.
to protect yourself.
To don't hurt anyone. So.
Right. Right. Do you hear that?
Yeah, but...
What's happening?
Not,
what's happening?
John? If she's not happy, I'm not going to be happy. I want to make you happy.
Right.
I'm not going to deliberately try to hurt you.
No. And will you deliberately try and hurt him?
No.
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 Okay. I didn't know that. All right.